Alrighty then, as promised, I wrote out the procedures on how to sign someone up in the virtual office. Apparently, not everybody knows how or gets really confused, especially if when you signed up, someone just signed you up. So you didn't do the steps yourself. If you did the steps yourself, you'll know this is pretty easy. However, if you've never signed up yourself, hey Pamela, and you want to sign people up and don't know where to begin, this is a video. So I wrote procedures. The procedures to sign someone up is in the file section. You can go into the file section and you can print it, save it, download it in your phone, not on your phone, but maybe probably on your laptop, share it with your groups, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to give you a video to go along with the actual write-up so that you have it as a visual. All right, so we're going to get started. The first thing you need to do, obviously, is go into the Young Living site. So I'm going to, it's youngliving.com, pretty easy. Just make sure you're going into youngliving.com, okay? And then what you're going to do is you have two options. Just follow my cursor right on top, right here. So you could either do sign in or you could click on virtual office, become a member. All of these three options are going to give you the same results. So you know, it's all going to take you to become a member or signing in, depending on what you're trying to do. So today we're going to become a member. That's what the plan is, right? So we're going to click on become a member. Now, when we click on this, I'm going to try to, let me see if I can push this back some. Okay, so when you click on that, you see there's two boxes, choose your membership. As you can see, member already has a check mark. It's already pre-selected for you. So what that is, it's telling the person that by becoming a member, they're going to get the 24% discount. They can participate if they choose to, because you're not being forced to, but if you choose to, you can participate in compensation plan, earn commission just by sharing Young Living, qualify for exclusive Young Living member events around the world, enjoy the benefits and convenience of Essential Rewards. So with the member, you get some perks. Retail customer, you're just buying full retail price. Retail customers can't take advantage of any of the compensation plan or the Essential Rewards. And to sign up and purchase as a retail, just shop product catalog. So today we're just going to follow the prompts for member. If you were to follow the prompts for retail, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to go down here. You're going to still do the same thing as member, and then it's just going to take you straight to the product catalog. So because member is a little bit more, there's more to it, we're going to do member. And plus, who wants to be a retail customer? That's ridiculous. So why pay more? Why pay more? All right, so we're going to scroll down. And of course, you see membership details. It should say United States. It should say English because we are in America. The next side is here, and it says, who introduced you to Young Living? So you introduced the person signing up to Young Living. You did. So the person is going to select, I was referred by a member, and have their ID number. Remember, they're going to use your member number so you get compensated. So you're going to click on that, okay? And then you're going to put in the sponsor ID and the enroller ID. We're going to keep it simple today, and we're just going to use the same number for both. As you grow your business and you succeed and go up in rank, you want to build legs so your organization grows. That's when you will put someone on your team who is growing a business as the sponsor, and you will always remain the enroller. But when you're first starting out, or if you're just signing people up here and there and you're not interested in building a business, the sponsor ID and the enroller ID are the same. They are your number. So my number, I'm going to put my number in to make life easy. Okay. Okay, and we're going to continue. Now it says, step 1, choose your starter kit. And as you can see, it says other premium kits, specialty kits, and basic kit. So there's lots to choose from when becoming a member. Let's just start with the original one that's already in white. The other two are grayed out. This is the one we're looking at right now, okay? So this is going to give you a choice. As you can see, the Dewdrop Diffuser Kit is pre-selected. It's pre-selected for that person. So if that person wants the premium starter kit with the Dewdrop Diffuser, you're good. It's pre-selected. But if they want the Desert Mist, all they have to do is click on Desert Mist. Now they have that one. Maybe they're not interested in either of the two diffusers. Maybe they want the Thieves Kit. Well, then select Thieves Kit. If my computer will let me. Come on, guys. Let me. Okay, there you go. So Thieves Kit. Or maybe they want the Ningxia Kit. Okay. Or, let's get down here. It's very hard to do this and record. Okay, so maybe they want the oils, but they want to upgrade it to the Rainstone Diffuser or the Aria Diffuser. And below are the prices. Okay, so depending on what they're looking to do, they will select one of these kits. But what if what they want is the Savvy Mineral Makeup Kit? What if they want the Savvy Mineral Makeup and they don't want the oils, they don't want the Ningxia, they don't want the Thieves, but they want the makeup? Just click on Specialty Kits right here, and there you go. Now, there's also the International and the Spanish. Because we're in the United States, yeah, it's good to know we have those options. I have yet to use them. So we're just going to focus on the makeup. The makeup kit, there's 4, I think, to choose from. I believe there's 4. And why is there 4? Well, because it depends on the color foundation. Do they want a cool number 2? Do they want a warm number 2? Do they want a dark number 1? Do they want a dark number 4? So, depending on their skin tone and the color foundation they want, that is the kit they will select. And that kit is $150. And again, you would just check it off right in the little box up here, okay? And it would turn purple. If you are dealing with someone who only speaks Spanish, you may want to click the Spanish kits, whether it's the Raindrop Diffuser, the Desert Mist, the Thieves, so that they get the language in Spanish, okay? So they get all the material in Spanish. If it's a military kit, it's going to a military base. There's this one, there's a military kit. If it's international, where you're using a different electric. Remember, the diffusers have a different electrical outlet in Europe. So if it's international, it might be 220 volts. You would have to select this if somebody's buying it internationally, and so on and so forth. You get it, right, guys? Now, what if somebody just wants to get the basic kit? The basic kit is the $45 kit with just a bottle of Stress Away and some material in there. They want to become members, and it's basically, the basic kit is just becoming a member to be eligible for the 24% discount, and then buying and adding stuff a la carte. So instead of getting the premium kit or the specialty kit, you're just going to go to the basic kit right on top here. And there's your basic kit. And you would select that one instead, okay? You would select the basic kit, and then you would go down to the bottom and you would follow the prompts for that, okay? And then you would customize your kit. And here's your customizing your kit so that you can add maybe some of the things you want that you wouldn't get in a regular premium starter kit. So we're going to go back and we're going to just do what the most popular is. So to keep it simple, we're going to go to the most popular, which is the premium starter kits, okay? And the most popular one today that's selling, I would say hand over fist, would be the Desert Mist kit. At least I think so. I like that one the best. Or the Ningxia Red or the Thieves. But we're going to stick to the Desert Mist to keep it simple. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom. Now, there is a new thing with Young Living, which I love. If you sign up with a premium starter kit, you can make that your first Essential Rewards order, okay? It could be your first Essential Rewards order. So you can click on here, this little box right here, step 2, and you could say, use the selected premium starter kit as my first Essential Rewards order and sign me up for Essential Rewards subscription. If you check this box, please skip step 2. It tells you. Now, here's my thing, guys. I encourage everyone, when you sign someone up and they get the premium starter kit, to check off this box. You can tell them that they're going to get 10% back in their kitty of the 100, right? Is it the 100? Because they get 100 PV? Yeah. So they're going to get 10% back. So they'll get $10 back in their kitty. They do not need to continue Essential Rewards. You can make it your business to keep tabs if they don't want to be in Essential Rewards, and then they could just remove it the following month, just to call up Young Living and remove it. Or they may say, you know what, I do want to order a few other things. I'm going to stay with Essential Rewards, and you can explain to them why the benefits of Essential Rewards and continue them on the Young Living journey. But I would totally encourage you to check off this box and let them at least start this box with getting the 10% back in their Essential Rewards kitty, and that they could use it towards another product in the future. In addition to that, Young Living is giving everybody who does this an additional $15. So typically, if you sign someone up with Young Living, you're going to get $50 commission, right? A thank you check. If they check off this box, you're going to get an additional $15. So it's totally worth doing it. Okay? But let's say they say, I don't want my Essential Rewards to be the kit because I want to order other things. So what they can do is go to step 2, and instead of using the kit as their number 1 order, they can add on by clicking customize your kit. Okay, they would click on that, and then it would bring them here, and they would add whatever they want in addition to the premium starter kit as their Essential Rewards. Okay, we're going to go back. Okay, and what if they don't want to go on Essential Rewards? What if they're animate and they just don't want to go on Essential Rewards? They're like, nope, I don't want the kit to be my Essential Rewards. Nope, I do not want to buy anything else. I just want to check this out. What you do is you just go to step 3. You skip the other 2 steps and you go to step 3. Okay, and you click on next. Okay, it's going to say here on top, proceed without auto ship. That's Essential Rewards. Okay, you have not selected to participate in the optional Essential Rewards auto ship program. Right. Okay, continue enrollment. Okay, now that's all you did. You just clicked continue enrollment because you already picked the premium starter kit. Now you're going to complete this information. You're going to put the person's first name, last name, address, okay, their email, their phone number, set up a username, set up a password. I typically tell people to make the first letter of the password capital, maybe throw in some kind of like an asterisk or something in there and a number. I love telling everybody to use 7777 as the PIN, only because if they have any issues down the road with Young Living, with their order, I don't have to guess what their PIN is. I know what it is because I told them what to use. So when I call Young Living, I can say, yeah, their PIN is 7777, and I can help them out. Use whatever number you want, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. But the people on the Dreamcatcher team predominantly have 7777, unless they signed up on their own. Okay? Then we're going to go down to commission information. I tell everybody to select the first one, individual, no social security number required, none. That way, there is no stress, because who wants to give a social security number out these days? Nobody does. So you pick this one. If down the road somebody chooses to make this a business with Young Living and they start to make a certain amount of money in commission, the Young Living will reach out to them and ask them for their social so they can send them a W-2. Okay? So don't sweat it, and no need to tell them and carry on about it, because nobody knows what's going to happen. Right? So I just say the first one, which is individual, no social security number required. And then we go down to the bottom and we check off, I have read and agreed to the terms, blah, blah, blah. If I check this and I go to next, it's going to ask me for all the top information, which I don't have. So you know that when I do go down here and I click this and I say accept and agree, it's going to take me to the credit card information. So now I'm going to populate the credit card information, make sure that everything is right, and then I'm going to hit submit. I'm going to place the order. We're going to come up with a invoice number, and then you can get they'll get an email with their invoice number and their member number. But so you know, I'm going to see if I could back out of this for a minute. So you know that if they went into their virtual office, okay, yeah, I know, it's saying to complete. They could actually, well, it's not going to show it now, but so you know, let me flip this around, okay? All right, so you know that once the order is processed with the credit card, it's going to allow you to go to My Accounts on the left-hand column. So if you click at the bottom of My Accounts, it's going to give the person's information. It's going to give their name, who their enroller was, and their member number. And now they have that ready to go. So that's how you enroll someone. It's really super easy. They're going to get an email. And so I hope this video was beneficial, and I wish you much luck and success in growing your business. Have a great day. I'm going to share this video in here and keep it in here. If you ever need it, just do search for sign up and it'll pop up for you. Have a great day. Bye.